Hi beauties, today we have the reusable makeup remover pads. I'm super excited because they're skin friendly, super soft, gentle cleansing, and reusable. So this is perfect for people who are trying to use recyclable and reusable things instead of filling up the landfill with stuff that is not reusable. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have 10 of these soft bamboo cotton pads. So we have 5 white and 5 pink, and then we have 2 of these microfiber pads. So they feel really soft on both sides and they look very easy to use. So you just hold it back here and then this side to wash off your makeup. So as an example, I put some lipstick here from my lips and I'm gonna test it out with one of these cloths. So I'm gonna put some cleanser on here and then I'll see how well it takes off this lipstick. Okay, let's see. Okay, so far so good. Okay, very gentle, feels very nice, and it looks like the lipstick is off. Yeah, really nice. Okay, that was easy. See, and then I just got to rinse this and I can reuse it. So let's see how the microfiber pad feels. So you can use either side, but yeah, even just wiping it like this feels really nice. I'm gonna try it without any cleanser and see what kind of result I get, okay? So let me find that lipstick. Okay, now let's see how well it takes off the lipstick without any cleanser, and this is just dry. Okay, let's see. Actually looks pretty good. Okay. Probably better to wet it, but as you can see, it's already coming off on there, see? And it feels really nice. So you may not even need to use any cleanser. Now I'm gonna try one wet. Okay, so this one is wet. Let's see how this works. Wet to take off the lipstick. Okay, look at that. It came off pretty easily. Completely off. Okay, that's great news. Okay, now let's try the microfiber. There's no cleanser on it, it's just wet. Okay, so let's try the pink side. Wow, wow, look how easy that came off. Okay, that's completely clean. So that tells me that I don't need any cleanser. I can just wet one of these and it'll take my makeup off. I'm super excited to use these. They feel super soft and they're easy to wash. And it's made out of bamboo cotton, so super excited.